Please feed the YouTube algorithm by giving the video a like. If you want to see more like this, click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. If you want to chip in on my expenses, I now have Patreon and YouTube memberships. Welcome to the June 2022 Hua Hin Thailand train line construction drone flight video update. If you're familiar with the background of the train line project from previous videos, feel free to skip ahead to the timestamp shown on screen. For those of you new to the series, I've been flying my drone monthly around the train line construction in my town of Hua Hin, Thailand, starting back in April of 2021. Thailand is in the middle of a massive project to upgrade from a system of single tracks to a system of double tracks, plus additional high-speed rail links from Bangkok to the north towards Laos and China, and additional 160 kilometers per hour mid-speed rail links to the south. One of the mid-speed lines is now under construction through Hua Hin. Concurrently to this, the main train station in Bangkok is moving from the century-old Hua Lamphong station to the shiny new Bang Su station in the northwest part of the city. With the new mid-speed rail line and the better location of the Bang Su station, I'm hoping that the run from Hua Hin to Bangkok will take about 2 hours, rather than the 5 hours we currently encounter, and that's on a good day. These drone flights allow us to see the progress on things like the construction of the new Hua Hin station, the laying of the new second ground-level tracks, the raised track sections, new bridges, elevated traffic overpasses in conjunction with the removal of ground-level crossings for safety, and removal of encroaching buildings along the route to make way for the new lines and a wider road that will parallel the line all the way through town. I'm shifting to an end-of-the-month publishing schedule for the train line videos. Geoff is flying the drone mid-month, and I'm on my trip, currently in the Adriatic Sea beach town of Budva in Montenegro. Trust me, internet speeds are hit and miss in AirBnBs and hotels in this part of the world. It takes days to download the raw drone files, edit the video package, and upload it. We're light on train news this month. This first story comes from Thai PBS World about the Prime Minister of Laos visiting Thailand to push for partnerships with Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam, largely through freight train links. He already has a high-speed rail link with China up and running. You've seen the background on this in the introduction I post every month. And lastly, a fun video that explains the hardcore engineering behind why there are stones along railway tracks. Okay, with that, let's get flying. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to feed the algorithm and do all the YouTube things. Take care and see you next time.